Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury. Today, we're taking a step back in time, to an era when automobiles weren't just machines, but works of art. This is the 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood, a luxury car that defined American elegance during the Great Depression. From its majestic exterior to its refined interior and impressive performance for the era, this car has stories to tell. Let's dive in. Exterior. The 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood is an icon of Art Deco design and classic American coach building. Built by Fleetwood, Cadillac's in-house coach builder, this car wasn't mass-produced in the modern sense, it was handcrafted. The front features Cadillac's signature vertical grille, flanked by dual bullet-style headlights. Chrome accents are tastefully placed throughout, including the imposing front bumper and hood ornament, an early symbol of luxury. Long, flowing fenders with integrated side-mounted spare wheels, sweeping lines, and wide running boards gave this car a stately presence on the road. The wheelbase. A massive 138 inches on the Series 75 models. At the back, you get a gracefully sloped trunk and full-sized rear-mounted spare tire. Tail lamps are understated, blending smoothly into the body. Fleetwood bodies were often custom-built for elite clients. Each car could be tailored to a buyer's taste, from paint to upholstery. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by luxury that rivals modern high-end cars, especially for the 1930s. Plush bench seats in mohair, broadcloth, or fine leather depending on the customer's request. The rear seats often included fold-down jump seats for added passengers. The dash was elegantly simple, with analog gauges housed in a metal or wood-grain panel. You'll find a clock, speedometer, ammeter, oil pressure, and fuel gauges, all neatly laid out. Notice the deep pile carpets, hand-polished wood trim, and even chrome ashtrays. In chauffeur-driven models, a divider window separated the driver from the passengers. This was an era where Cadillac truly lived up to the slogan, the standard of the world. Comfort, craftsmanship, and customization were everything. Performance. The 1935 Fleetwood wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, it packed serious engineering. Cadillac's 1935 models featured a robust 353 cubic inch, or 5.8-liter, V8 engine, producing around 130 horsepower, a big number for the time. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission. It required skill to drive, but when handled right, the car moved with grace. Built on Cadillac's Series 60, 70, or 75 chassis, the Fleetwood had a full box section steel frame. Coil spring front suspension and leaf springs in the rear made for a surprisingly smooth ride. You could expect about 80 to 85 miles per hour flat out, not bad for a car that weighed over 4,500 pounds. The 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of American history. It represented hope, craftsmanship, and luxury during one of the toughest economic times in U.S. history. Each Fleetwood body was a masterpiece, and to own one today is to own a true collectible. If you love classic cars, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite pre-war luxury car? And if you ever get the chance to see or drive a 1935 Fleetwood, take it. This is history you can touch, hear, and drive. Thanks for watching. This has been a drive through the past with the unforgettable 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood.